Hello, hello. This is B.L.A.S.T cardio. 15 minutes of crazy, but great way to get your heart rate up and get that fat burn on. So we're not going to do a warm-up, okay? We're straight in it because the class is so short. If you need a warm-up, make sure you get some squats, some squat jumps in, some jumping jacks. If you don't want to jump in this class, please feel free not to, okay? All good, you do you. So what I have for you today are 3 exercises, okay? Anywhere from 45 seconds to a minute long, okay? It's gonna be good, it's gonna be fast, it's gonna be furious, but you're going to burn. You ready? Okay, like I said, no warm up. Make sure that your body is nice and prepared, ready for this. I'm gonna turn up the music, change the song, and we're gonna get it. We have a squat kick to begin. Squat kick, okay, you ready? Time begins. 3, 2, 1, let's go. This is kind of like a warm up. Get low, get high, come on. While we're breaking, I'm going to show you the next move. Get it. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Girl, I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number 1 of 3, 2, and last one right here. Woo! We got 2 bull squats, tap back. Looks like this. Pulse it, tap, tap. Ready? Let's go. Might crash, might crack, but first I stretch. I wake up, come down, now check. Yo, get this. Good. No speed, no rest. Might crash, might crack. Oh, leg day. Right here. We take that trip way out to Europe. I call them Nigeria, come through with a good job. Don't come to play, you should be worried. Run false, move, find yourself a bird. It's with the devil, used to love playing those games. Made some bad decisions that brought my mama pain. I made a don't you worry. You're wondering if our heart rates are going to get a little higher. They are. 3, 2, 1. Here it is. Jump squat. If you don't want to jump, go to toe. Side taps. 1 jump, 2 taps. Ready? Set. Let's go. Throw those arms, come on. And 1. Woo. Next one, high knees, speed jacks. We got 4x4. Okay? 4 high knees, 4 speed jacks. Ready? You do not need to jump, you can tap. Set. Let's go. Good job. Nice. Almost there. 3, 2, 1, cross. 4, 3, 2, 1, cross. You don't want to jump it? Out and in. Still gonna feel that work. Come on. Oh yeah, oh yeah. 3, 2, 1. Woo. Okay. 3. All these shuffles. 1 step out. 1, 2, 3, step. 1, 2, 3, step. Okay, ready? Let's go. Don't think too hard about it. If you want, whatever leg is going out, that's the leg you start with for that shuffle. Come on. Keep it going, keep it going. Three, 2, 1. If you need a sip of water, grab it now. We're continuing the crazy. Next one is a cross jack. Okay? For 4, 1 cross knee. You ready? Set. Let's go. Get the other side the next time. You don't want to jump it, tap it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1. We got lateral shuffle with 3 count skater. So once you get to the end, you're gonna be tapping that leg back, okay? You ready? Set? Let's go. Shuffle. Stay low, stay low. Good job, good job. Come on, almost there. Good work. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Take a leg. 3 count. 1 jump. I'll tell you when to switch sides. Y'all ready? Set. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Leap or just drive the knee. Come on. Oh my gosh, my legs are talking. 3, 2, 1, other side. Let's go. to 4 count figure 8 throws. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, and then you switch sides. It should be fun. Set. This is it, last set. Let's go. You might be wondering why I'm making these noises. It makes you burn more. When you control your breath, you can use it to your advantage. I promise. Holding your breath does nothing for you. It's actually detrimental. Last one in the set, and you're done. 2 punches down. Okay. For 4. I gotta rewind. I don't know. I thought I had more song. Sorry, guys. Okay. 2. Okay. You ready? Set. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, move your feet. This is it. Move like you mean it. None of this, right? That does nothing for you. You're wasting your time. Come on, effort in. Almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Woo. Now we can bring it down, right? Great job. Fantastic work. Not a true cool down, so if you need one, sometimes the best thing to do for yourself actually is to take a walk. slow walk. If you're at the club, you would hop on a treadmill, but if you're doing this at home, throw on a hat, go outside, 5 minutes. 5-minute walk, that's all I ask for. It tells your fat where to go, I promise. Yeah, good. It tells your fat, go bye-bye. Go away, get flushed out of your system. Don't go back and just accumulate somewhere else. You're messaging your body that it's okay to let go. Yeah, switch sides. But doing something high intensity like this and then just sitting, not good. Right?